Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be sharing some cleaning motivation while getting my home nice and clean. Here is a quick overview of how my house is looking before I get started. As you can see, it's a lot for me to clean, so let's just jump straight into today's video.
Try out a different play. Won't let it waste away. I got it.
I'm starting off in the living room with folding the blanket and cleaning off the couch. I'm also going to be cleaning the coffee table, and then I'm going to be moving on to other areas that need to be cleaned. I would also like to apologize for some of the lighting in this video. As I was editing the video, I noticed that the lighting was a little off, and that's because on this day it was really sunny outside and it was interfering with the lens on my camera.
Ahead of me, but trust that I'll keep fighting it. I keep fighting it. Might not be an easy road. I know it's gonna be worth it though. No, it's gonna be worth it though. Now I got it. Feel the adrenaline when I step out on my own. I try to see it like medicine. I feel it in my soul. I can't go on. Can nothing stop me? No, give up. No, I know I won't. It's already.
I really do like this TV stand, but as you can see, sometimes the door does get jammed. So here I am just taking it off and putting it back on.
Never met someone like you, felt something like your touch. I wish we would have met tonight. Sure, I've had lovers in my past, won't lie, I've had a blast, but none of them had your humor. They can't compare.
I wanted to make sure that I dust the baseboard behind this console because for some reason this one gets really dusty. husband just had a birthday, so that's what these balloons was for. I had to add some wood filler on my door, so that's what that is on there. I will be giving that door a fresh coat of paint as soon as I get some time. Once I'm finished vacuuming the living room and the dining room, I'm going to be moving on to the kitchen.
Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess. I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Isn't it funny how much you mean to me? I can get my head around how we used to be. You said you love me, and I gave my heart. You cannot care less, you were tearing me apart. Oh, I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Oh, convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Yeah. So give me something, give me something. Give me something. Give me a fix, tell me
situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now, recycling all the same doubts. Heard it a million times, cause I tell myself all the same lies. I might need therapy too, help dilute all the bad news, cause I just can't deal with the lose-lose situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now, recycling.
If you missed my last video, I did share why we had to get a new stove. Our last stove, the oven stopped working, so that's why we had to get a new one. So we purchased this one here from Lowe's.
I'm ruminating, I feel no good, not living life like I know I could, like I know I could, like I know I should, like I know I could. Oh, if you would show me, if you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah. Imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night, and a shooting star so vibrant, you have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way, scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday, life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like
So here I am now giving the stairway a good vacuum. And this is one area in my home that we never got a chance to do anything to. We didn't paint the walls in this area or anything. I've been thinking about changing the carpet and of course giving this area a nice fresh coat of paint as soon as I get around to it.
Best of times, why do we need the troubles? Why? Why do we need the troubles? Why? Nothing.
We are reaching the end of today's video. I will be sharing an overview of how everything is looking. If you enjoyed this video, definitely like and subscribe and join the family here on my channel. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, instead I'm thinking of strangers, I'm thinking of haters, I'm thinking of laying down for a nap right here on the pavement. I'm thinking of payday, worried I won't make it. First I think of a delicate thing.